Lesson 9. The Sacrifice. Introduction. This story has been taken from Panchtantra. The Panchtantra is a legendary collection of short stories from India, written by Vishnu Sharma. The purpose behind the composition was to implant moral values and governing skills in the young sons of the king. There was a Brahmin in a town who was also a thief. It was believed that the Brahmin thief had become a thief due to ill actions in his previous life. One day, 4 Brahmins arrived in town from a far-off place to sell some wares. They had a successful business and earned a handful of money. The Brahmin thief watched them making money and thought of stealing the money from them. He approached them as a friend and soon won their confidence by quoting eloquently from the Holy Scriptures. He requested them to appoint him as their helping hand, to which they agreed. One day, the Brahmins had sold all their wares. They decided that it would not be proper for them to travel with all the money. So, they purchased jewels with all the money that they had earned. Then, they cut open their thighs and hid the jewels inside. Later, with the help of a special ointment, they healed their cuts. In this manner, they concealed all their jewels. But all this happened during the time that the Brahmin thief was in service. So, he knew where they had hidden all their earnings. The thief wondered, "I have not got a chance to rob them till now. If I can accompany them when they travel homewards, I may be able to get a chance to steal them on the way. I can poison them on the way and take away the precious jewels." Later, when they started preparing to leave, the Brahmin thief started weeping. He said, "Dear friends, the thought of your departure makes me sad. After so many days that we have been together and shared a bond of love, I will be left all alone after you depart. Please take me along with you." The Brahmins were moved by his emotions and decided to take the Brahmin thief with them, and the 5 of them started the journey. On their way, they were going through the jungle and were crossing an area controlled by a wild tribe. The chief of the tribe had a magical crow as his pet who could foresee many things. As they came near their place, the crow screamed, "Quick, they have treasure! Kill them and take their treasure!" When the tribesmen heard this, they captured the 5 friends. They searched them and their belongings, even removed their clothes, but found nothing. The chief said, "You certainly have some treasure with you. The crow has never been wrong before. Hand over your treasure to us or we will kill you. You may have eaten or hidden the treasure in your body, and we may have to cut open your stomach and your body parts to recover them. Tell us the truth." The Brahmin thief thought, "If they kill any of them and search their bodies, they will recover jewels from the body. They will not believe me and kill me too. They will not find any jewel is another matter, but I will die anyway." Thus, the Brahmin thief made a firm resolution and said to the chief, "O chief, you believe we have treasure hidden in our bodies? But it will be a mistake to kill all of us to pay for the crow's misunderstanding. I offer you myself. You may kill me. Cut open my body to the every bone and see if you find any treasure." The chief agreed, and thus the Brahmin thief sacrificed himself. The tribesmen looked into every bit of his body but found nothing. The chief was very confused. He believed that the crow must somehow have misunderstood them. He humbly said to the remaining 4 Brahmins, "O travelers, it was a mistake to kill your friend, for he did not have any hidden treasure. I will not make further mistake by killing any of you. I release you from my captivity. Please continue your journey." In this manner, the 4 Brahmins and the jewels were saved, and they continued their journey. Moral: better an intelligent enemy than a foolish friend.
A.